We're heading to San Diego in early February, and we want to do something we just have not done enough of. We want to visit your shop. We're looking for one shop, one story, one Smart Fam member willing to open up and share with the rest of the Smart Fam. This isn't about showing off. This is about encouraging, inspiring, and engaging with those out there on the fence. That's how this whole thing grows and gets better for the entire Smart Woodshop fam. You don't need to be a perfect shop. It doesn't need to be all cleaned up and polished. Just a smart-based system, even if it's a radical take that you've come up with, a willingness to share your process, and a couple of hours of your time. We'll take care of the rest. We'll film, we'll edit. All you need to do is be you. If that's you, if you're in San Diego and you can make yourself and your shop available in that early February time period, then go to the link below, thesmartwoodshop.com. Email us directly. We just ask for a couple of sentences telling us about your shop. Maybe a photo or two taken with your smartphone is good enough if possible, and that's it. We just want to tell your story. One more bonus thing you could do to encourage others, go ahead and comment down below and say, hey Ron, I'm going to send you a private email. I'd be available. It'd be nice to see all the people so that everybody could see how many people are responding. Because I do think our lack of response from the very active Smart Fam is because they think somebody else is gonna do it. We put out these calls and it seems like we're really happy to get 2 or 3, but usually they're not from the area we're looking. We'll get one. Oh, if you get to Minnesota or if you get to New Hampshire or here, and they're spread out, we got 1, 2 here and there. And those are great, we want those. We're building a tour list, but right now it's San Diego, and that's where we're looking for. Come on now. You all know you enjoyed dropping into Paul's shop a couple of weeks ago. Now it's your turn. Pay it forward. If you'd like to build a smart bench, a smart station, a smart cart, what both of these are mounted on, which makes them mobile, or any of the other smart tools that work with the smart system, for the Smart Woodshop itself, there is a link for plans for all of these, individually or packages. If you purchase a set, within minutes, you'll get an email from us, and in that email, you'll find a link. Click on that link, and you can download the plans or packages of plans instantaneously, 24/7, 365. I hope your wood shop is the next featured Smart Woodshop. Mahalo.